Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can customize nicknames for your friends on Roblox. So for instance, they change their names and you want to change their username. So to do that, you are just going to go to their username here, and then you're going to select their profile. Select the pencil icon, and you're just going to type in their real name that only it's going to only be displayed to you, so you can use their actual names. This is still just her nickname but without that, and it's going to be displayed as that. If you want to remove it, just select it again, press delete, and then press save, and it's going to bring it back to the original Roblox nickname that they have for themselves. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.